Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about an important sentence structures in HSK level 2, that is 比 sentence. In Chinese is 比较句. It's not difficult, I think, because in Chinese there is no change of the verbs or the adjectives when we compare something. For example, in English, we have good, better, best, the different forms of a word good to show different degrees. In Chinese, just one Chinese character, 好. The characters themselves have no change. So that's a difference. Today, let's learn about how to use the 比 sentence in Chinese Mandarin. First of all, if we want to compare something, a Chinese character should be known. That is 比. The third tone, like then in English. The simplest sentence structure is A 比 B and adjective. A 比 B 怎么怎么样. For example, 今天比昨天冷. 今天比昨天冷. Today is colder than yesterday. 今天比昨天热. 今天比昨天热. Today is warmer than yesterday. So here, 今天 represents for A part. 昨天 represents for the B part. 冷 and 热 are the adjectives. So that is the simplest structure. A 比 B 怎么怎么样. Let's go on. A 比 B and adjective and 一点儿的多多了 or some numeral phrase. Let's see several examples. Number one is 今天比昨天冷一点。今天比昨天冷一点。Number two, 今天比昨天热得多。今天比昨天热得多。Number three, 今天比昨天热多了。今天比昨天热多了。Here, 一点儿的多多了。All of these are the complements of degrees to modify the adjectives. And then, 哥哥比弟弟高5厘米。哥哥比弟弟高5厘米。5厘米 here is a numeral phrase. So that is A 比 B and adjectives and some complements of degrees or the numeral phrase. Next, A 比 B and verb and the and adjective or the A and verb, the and B and adjective. So what's that? If we comparing an action, have a verb with complement of a degree in a sentence, 比 these characters can be put before the verbs or the complements. For example, 他比我跑得快. He runs faster than me. Here, 比 is put before the verb in a sentence. And then, 他跑得比我快. 他跑得比我快 also means he runs faster than me. But here, 比 is put before the complement. 快. So if comparing actions, both of these two sentence structures are correct. So please remember these two examples, 他跑得比我快 or 他比我跑得快. So you will remember the sentence structures and then make different sentence. The last one, that's the negative forms of 比 sentence. That is A 没有 B 怎么怎么怎么样。今天没有昨天冷 It's not as cold as yesterday. 今天没有昨天热。今天没有昨天热 It's not as hot as yesterday. 哥哥没有弟弟高。哥哥没有弟弟高。The elder brother is not taller than the younger brother. Something like this, so not difficult. Use 没有 instead of 比. So that is a 比 sentence in Chinese Mandarin. So next time, if we want to compare something, please use the 比 sentence structures we have learned today. Today, our video is coming to the end. See you next time. Bye!